Why is picking a Christmas tree so difficult? For the first time, us three together on a night out is going to be absolute chaos.
I don't know what you mean, I'm feeling really, really fresh.
I think that might be a lie. Scotch egg bait. And that's that. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. This morning, we are in my car, currently trying to get up a really big hill. Come on, Flora, you can do it, hun. Woo! Put your foot down, hun. My car really struggles with hills a little bit because it's so small. It's got such a small engine. But anyway, today is Monday morning. Oh, we love a temporary traffic light. What places to be, people to see. I am currently on, it's quite good actually because I'm on a red light now. I am currently on my way to see an old school friend. I see her every now and again for a little catch up. She's got a little baby now, she's so cute. So I'm just driving to her house on this lovely Monday morning. Other than that, this week is pretty just worky until the end of the week when I'm going to Doncaster to see Alice and Becca. Let's have a good Monday morning. Would be easy if I was sober. We don't care. I saw on my feet, she looks a little like me. Guys, I've got a headache, but it's now 5 o'clock. I've been home for about 4 hours. But you know what time it is. It's advent calendar time. So I'll have me chocolate with me next cup of tea. On the 3rd day of Christmas, the Body Shop gave to me a white mask body lotion. That's the best song we've had yet. I'm all nice and cozy. I'm tucked up in bed. Got a cup of tea. I've got a headache, so I'm going to have some Nurofen. And I'm about to watch 13 going on 30. I'm very happy about this cozy night. The only thing that would make this better is snacks. Oh, this camera. Honey, don't let me down now. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Oh, I'm very overexposed. I can never get my exposure right. Like, you'd think I'd be used to it by now, but no. Today, we are going to get the Christmas tree. I feel like we're so late to the party. It's only like the 4th of December, but I feel like everyone and their nan's got their tree up already. I'm not going to decorate it today because you have to like let it settle and stuff, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. Please ignore all the boxes and stuff behind me. PO box season is mad in December, but this is my very cash outfit for the day. So my hoodie is from Pilot Apparel. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about them when I get back because the lovely lady that runs it sent me this morning. Love it, it's so cozy. My jeans are Topshop. My trainers are Nike Air Maxes, and I get questions about this jacket every single time I wear it, so this was from Misguided. I'll link it down below because a lot of you seem to really like it. But anyway, let's go and get the Christmas tree. We've just spotted a German Christmas market on our way to get the tree, so we've come in. Look at all these Christmassy bits. Wow, you can even like sit down and have a hot chocolate, Frankfurter maybe. Wow, it's actually in German. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting that, but I suppose it makes sense because I'm in a German Christmas market. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Why is picking a Christmas tree so difficult? We're looking at them thinking, is this one too tall? Is this one too fat? This one's got a bit of a sparse bit. Very picky with our Christmas trees. I think this one looks like quite a good one because it's not too sparse at the top. Wow, look at those big ones at the back. I wish we could have one of them. We think we found the one, even though it looks the same as all the other trees that I've just showed you in the rest of the clips. Oh, that one looks quite nice over there, I'm not joking. That one does look quite nice, doesn't it? I really shouldn't have worn my trainers here. This is making my heart bleed a little bit. I'm gonna have to make a jump for it over this bit. I made it.
Sleigh bells in the snow, the snow.
Anyway guys, let's have a quick chat. So, like I said earlier, this hoodie that I'm wearing is from a brand called Pilot Apparel. I'm not being paid to say this, by the way, but a lovely lady called Jazz on Instagram, she sent a really cute note with it. She asked if she could send me some items. So the first thing she sent was this hoodie. The back of it is so cool as well. I'll put a picture of it in here. And she also sent this grey sweatshirt which also says Pilot. But do you know what I love, right? This girl Jazz, that she's a proper like hustler. So in this letter to me she's written, Pilot Apparel is currently completely run by myself. Everything from hand drawing each illustration to hand printing each garment to running social media. How mad is that? And this is also really kind of her. She's given you guys a discount code which is 30 Hannah. If you go and check her out you can get 30% off. So thank you so much Jazz from myself and my viewers for the discount code. Do you know what time it is? Some of you guys commented on my last weekly vlog saying you had the same advent calendar as me. How cool is that we're like looking at the same thing every day? Where is number 4? On the 4th day of Christmas the Body Shop gave to me a nail file. Not your best one, Han. Oh, I actually need a new nail file. Oh, this is so cute. It's got a rabbit on the end. Very, very handy, that one.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop.
Good morning again, everyone. So today is, oh look at my hand, that don't look too pretty there, does it? Today is Friday and I'm in Doncaster with these two.
Oh, do we just do the same thing? Whoa, yeah. Let's.
I feel like them things outside car washes that are like...
But anyway, yeah, we are here in Doncaster for the weekend. Tonight we're going out. We're going out. For the first time, us three together on a night out is going to be absolute chaos. We are now ready to go out. Woo! Tonight I'm wearing this little top. This is from a little boutique near me. It's in Leigh-on-Sea. It's called Jez. If anyone lives near me or lives near Leigh-on-Sea, you probably don't. Got some plain black jeans on, heeled boots. Oh, my belt's from Pull & Bear. Thanks, Alice. Forgot to say that. Oh, and I've also got this little wristlet bag. Yeah, because you can just put it on there and forget about it. Handy. I'm not going to bring my camera because I don't want to risk losing it. So I will try and film some bits on my phone. If I do, here they are. If I don't, sorry. Good morning everyone, it's the next day now. I'm not sure what you will have seen of last night, but we're going into Lincoln for the Christmas markets. We're all a bit tired. Becca, how are you feeling?
Here.
Oh yeah, Alice's mum and dad are here.
Like bundled up, like, I don't know what you mean, I'm feeling really fresh. Yeah.
I think that might be a lie. So we're at the Lincoln markets now. Becca's got a smile on her face finally. We're inside like a little craft marquee type thing. I don't know if you can hear me, it's quite loud in here. There's Ali. I've borrowed Karen's hat for today. Thank you, Karen. We've got roasted chestnut. Not gonna lie, not quite sure how to attempt this. Ow, it's hot. Possibly the most random food I could have chosen out of this Christmas market. Burgers, nah. Hot dogs, nah. Scotch egg, mate. Hot Scotch egg. Oh, go on, Becca. Get your umbrella out. Get your umbrella out. Get your umbrella out for the lads. For the lads. So guys, it's a lot later now and we're all sat in bed. Here's Alice, she's vlogging too.
Yeah.
We've got pizza.
We've got...
One of them's a festive pizza,
yeah, this one's festive. I think it's got brie, turkey and...
cranberry. Cranberry
bacon.
something.
And we're now going to watch The Holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on Netflix now.
Cute and cozy. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another Donny adventure, even though it's the same vlog. But today, oh, I'm tired. I felt alright until I started vlogging and now I'm like, oh. Today we are having a Christmas dinner. Grandma's coming round. Alice and Becca are here.
Oh yeah.
Where's Alice? Oh, there she is. We've all got Christmas jumpers on. This is mine. It says cotton-headed ninny muggins. Absolutely love it. We're having like a pre-Christmas Christmas. We need to go to Asda and get some fire lighters for the fire. Some hobnobs, lots of bits and bobs. So that's what we're going to go and do now. And then we're going to come back and eat. Woo! Eat our entire body weights in food.
So excited.
Me too.
cheese. Are you excited now?
I'm so excited. We're spelling this since the moment we woke up. We woke up to the sound of Dad chopping carrots, didn't we?
Yeah.
Best sound in the
Get up
world.
and help then.
No. Yeah, it's fun too, in fact.
I'm in like food coma.
Me too, I'm so full up. It was so yummy.
Stay there.
Oh, Christmas cuddles. Cute. Go on, Alice, you can do it. Way!
Who do you think out of the three of us would do the best times now?
Definitely you.
Oh, mate, are you sure? Did you see how I dealt with that spider?
Yeah, us two
yeah,
didn't
I
deal with the
didn't.
spider. It's a little bit later now. We've had our Christmas dinners, we've had a little chat. Now we're outside on this swing bench and we're making s'mores. Is that what they're called?
hobnobs.
S'mores.
Yeah.
We've got chocolate hobnobs.
Top trick.
We've got marshmallows and we've got the fire going here. Look how cute this is. Oh, I'm very excited about this. I've never had s'mores before, you know.
What?
No.
Never. What?
To be fair,
Prepare for your mind to be blown. I've never toasted marshmallows around a fire.
mate, you
This is
mad?
one for the bucket list.
Oh, cute moments together.
Ah, with the fairy lights in the back. Adorable. Oh.
I wasn't scared.
I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts.
We got a funny story, right?
Oh no.
So Becca used to be a massive One Direction fan, didn't you, Becca?
A moderate amount.
Right, so do you remember people used to have like annuals? Becca used to have some One Direction annuals.
Yeah.
Becca, you tell the story.
Oh gosh, okay. So we were having like, you know, family clear outs, clearing out all the old books that I don't use anymore. I'll put them in a box to sort out, not to send to the charity shop. Next thing I know, I'll go downstairs and my mum's clearing some more books from a different shelf. And I'm like, oh mum, where did that pile of books go? Where's that, where all the Harry Styles One Direction annuals are? And she's like, oh, I took them to the charity shop. Yeah, I left them outside the back door. It was a Sunday, and I was like, they weren't for charity. They were, you know, to decide whether I was adult enough to let them go, you know.
Which you were not,
Which I clearly was not. So I was like, I mean, I need to go get them back. So my dad and I jumped in the car, and I started rummaging through this box
outside the charity shop.
The charity shop, trying to find my One Direction annuals. Then my dad goes, Becca, turn around. And I turned around and he pointed to the CCTV camera that was above the door. And I was like, oh my god. But I took them back, put them in a bag, brought them back home, and they're now back.
Happy yes. So more of the story is Becca stole some One Direction annuals from the charity shop, even though they were her own.
I was taking back what was mine, you know?
Oh my gosh, Alice's parents have just bought us out Bailey's hot chocolates.
Oh cute.
That is the cutest thing ever.
They just appeared like randomly, didn't they?
Yeah, oh, we're still out here by the way. We've been out here for like nearly 2 hours now, just watching the fire and chatting, but now we've got a hot chocolate to keep us warm. I love having you guys here. Oh, I love being here. Having a moment. Having a moment. I'm glad I caught it on camera.
Feeling the feels.
Feeling the feels. So guys, that brings us to the end of this weekly vlog. Me and Becca are leaving Doncaster today. Here's Becca. Hello. Down here. We're just packing our bags. We're going to go out for lunch first, but I'm going to end the vlog now because we're not going to be back until quite late tonight. Bye Becca. It's nice to see you again. Have a good Christmas and New Year.
Thank you very much. You too.
Alice.
Bonjour.
Where are you? Oh, she's in the bathroom.
Get some hydration.
Oh, look at you being good with your water bottle. I just want to say goodbye. Thanks for having us.
It's been well fun.
I know, I've had a good Christmassy weekend.
Yeah, we've had a like practice Christmas.
Yeah, we have. It's been so cute. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this weekly vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Last week, I went to go and see a psychic, so if you haven't seen that vlog, I will leave it linked down in the description below. Make sure you go and check it out. It's a little bit weird. Do subscribe to see my future videos. Let me know in the comments down below what's the best thing that's happened to you this week. I would love to know. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!